Hello students, today we are going to learn about the phylum and its excretory organs, that is organs of excretion in different animals. Okay, the excretory organ of protozoa is contractile vacuole and plasma membrane, which can also occur through general body surface. The examples of protozoa are amoeba, eugulina and paramecium. Okay, second, we have hydra and sponges. Here, hydra falls in Coelenterata, which excrete through the general body surface, and the second one is sponges, which also excretes through general body surface. Remember that, okay? Third, we have platyhelminthes. This is very important because it excretes through protonephridia or solenocytes, that is flame cells. Here solenocyte and flame cells is very important because it has been asked many times in the medical entrance examination. So remember this, that platyhelminthes has solenocytes as its excretory organ. Okay, the examples are planaria, fasciola hepatica, Taenia solium. Here planaria is also known as Dagesha, fasciola hepatica also known as liver fluke or cystosoma, which is blood fluke, and Taenia solium, that is pork tapeworm, or Taenia saginata, that is beef tapeworm. Remember that solenocyte, don't forget that. It's very important. Here, the excretory organ of nematoda or Nemathelminthes is rennet cell. I am only pronouncing rennet cell because it is singular. It has only one cell, okay, and it is sept, okay. The examples are Ascariasis lumbricoides, Vaucheria bancrofti, and Dracunculus mediensis. Here, Ascariasis lumbricoides is known as a roundworm, Vaucheria bancrofti is known as filarial worm, and Dracunculus mediensis is known as guinea worm. Another, we have annelids. Annelids has excretory organs as nephridia. Nephridia is mainly taken in earthworm. Earthworm has three types of nephridia, that is pharyngeal nephridia, septal nephridia, and integumentary nephridia. In annelids, Nereis, Hieronia, Acanthobedola are also present. Okay. Phylum Arthropod is very important in terms of its excretory organ because arthropods are the largest family. So it is divided into other classes, that is, in insecta it has malphizian tubules, in crustaceans it has green gland, and in arachnids it has coaxial glands. Okay, the example of insecta is Periplaneta americana. Periplaneta americana is known as cockroach, which is Paurometabolus, that is, the insect which does continuous molting is known as Laurometabolus. Example of crustacean is Palaeomon, which is known as prawn. The example of arachnids is spider. Another example of insecta is silverfish. Here, don't get confused with the word fish because it is a false fish. That is, it's also very important. It has also been asked many times in the entrance examination. Okay, that silverfish falls in Arthropoda of class Insecta. Silverfish is a metabolus, that is insect without molting. Okay. Another example is of crustacean, that is crayfish. Here, don't get confused with the word fish. Okay, that is, crayfish falls in arthropods of class crustaceans. Another example of arachnids is scorpion. Another, we have mollusca. The excretory organs of mollusca is grape organ or organ of Bossanus or a pericardial organ. Here, organ of Bossanus is very important. As I earlier said, in platyhelminthes, solenocytes is very important, which has been asked many times. In mollusca, the organ of Bossanus is also very important because it has been asked many times in the entrance examination. And don't forget that, so I have highlighted that. Remember that organ of Bossanus is the excretory organ of mollusca. The examples are Neoplenia. Neoplenia is a living fossil which falls in class Monoplacophora of mollusca. It is a connecting link between Annelida and mollusca. Pilia, apple, snail, and Doris. Silemon falls in class Gastropoda. Unio is a freshwater mussel. Tredo is known as a shipworm. Sepia is cuttlefish. Octopus is devilfish. This sepia, cuttlefish, and octopus devilfish are the false fishes. Remember that. Tredo, sepia, octopus. This falls in class Cephalopoda. Another, we have Echinodermata. In Echinodermata, the excretory organ is dermal branchi or primitive gills, tube-feet, body surface. The example is Asteraceae, Ophiothrix, Echinius, Antedon. Asteraceae is also known as starfish. Ophiothrix is known as brittle star. Echinius is sea urchin. Antedon is sea lily or feather star. This Antedon is very important because it has been asked that Antedon is also known as. So Antedon is also known as sea lily or feather star. Okay. Another, we have The excretory organ of frog tadpole is pronephrons. This can be remembered easily. In adult frog, the excretory organ is mesonephric kidney, and in man and rabbit we have metanephric kidney. So this much for today, students. I hope you like this topic, and if you further want to study these sorts of topic, then please subscribe to the channel. I will soon be uploading more videos on these topics. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.